Hello guys, welcome to flyer design in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. The flyer design is half of A4 size. It means you must go to print, select the A5 size. And next, right here, you need to design flyer for which company and set the unit millimeter and select portrait 300 pixel per inch. If you need to design for the print, select CMYK. If you need to design for digital web, select RGB. And next, create. So first, go to view, go to guide, select new guide layout, turn off the column and set 10 millimeters for the margins. Click OK. Go back to view menu and select lock guide. Okay, I need to design for a company. The brand color is cool. I mean blue color. So I need to use one image or one photo in flyer. Let's select rectangle, hold Alt key, create, and hold Shift key, rotate, and make it a bit curve, and curve. Hold Alt key, need more expand, set there. Okay, and now apply, select the pen tool, turn off the stroke, turn on the blue color, I mean dark blue. Okay, so let's make design, hold Alt key with Shift, take a copy, and then change the color a little bit brighter like this. Hold Alt key, make one copy more, and select the pen tool, go back to fill, need a little bit more bright. Okay, so and now make a copy, move, set one copy right there. So if you need to set one copy right there, and go to file, open, select the photo. I need to put this photo in that vector design, drag and drop here, hold Alt key, make expand and set there. Go to layer, use this short, Alt Control plus G, use this shortcut. So next, select both design and move up. So and now select one more copy, set there, right there, and change the color. Select the color from the top. Okay, set there, and hold Alt key, one copy more, set here, and change the color. Make color from here. Apply. Okay guys, and now there you can write something about your business. Write something. So I need to make more design for this rectangle. Hold Alt with Shift key on keyboard, go back to select the pen tool. Let's select this color. Okay, hold Alt Shift key, one more copy, move a little bit up, select this one, go to select the pen tool and change the color from here. Let's replace, select the dark one and change opacity like this. Okay, and now select the title right here, write something, business flyer. Select the business and make bold and change the color from here, and select the flyer, turn off the caps lock, select and write business flyer. And next, hold Shift key, rotate grid, set here or set here, apply, and make more titles. Go to the size and change the size by pressing down arrow key, and go to setting, paragraph, select justify. Now hold Shift, change the size, set here your information. Okay guys, this is the simple branded flyer design with cool color in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you like it. And now go back to file, save a copy, select the format JPEG or JPG. So if you don't like JPG, you can select find here another formats like a Targa, TIA, like this. So thanks for watching.